the milking process. It's the milking process. So the other cows, these are their feeds. Say hello. Their feeds. Very perfect use, small spaces. Perfect use for small spaces. The cattle that we have just seen, according to the farmer who also owns these very wonderful grasses, they each produce 20 liters of milk per day. That's 20 liters of milk per day. And by calculating the prices of milk that we currently have, we have 60 shillings for each liter. So for 20 liters per cow, you have close to 1,200, that is in Kenya shillings. Now, as a farmer, you may ask yourself, how do I achieve this? How do I get this? You'll get this by having proper feeding of your cattle. And proper feeding of your cattle comes with you having the best grasses. There are a number of grasses that you can have, including napier grass that we are currently having here. We can also have legumes, in addition to dairy meal, which supplements dairy cattle. But other things you must consider is hygiene. Are your animals housed in an hygienic house? Are your animals living in hygienic conditions? Two, you have to consider, do you treat your animals, or do you make sure that your animals have the best health? Because if your animals are not healthy, you may be feeding them well, but they not give you the best returns. So make sure that you are feeding your animals right. Make sure you're treating your animals so that they have the best health. And then three, make sure that your animals get proper care. Get proper care. They have a place where they can stay away from direct sunlight, away from being directly hit by rain. Because these natural occurrences, rain and sunshine, they disturb the dairy cattle. They are not suitable. They are not meant to live in such harsh conditions. So make sure you're doing that, and you'll succeed as a dairy farmer. So I want to encourage all dairy farmers, all aspiring dairy farmers. You can succeed too. You can succeed too as a dairy farmer. Just make sure that you follow the tips that I've given you, and you'll succeed. So thank you for clicking this video, and please, as a dairy farmer, consider subscribing, consider liking and sharing this video with your fellow farmers. Thank you, and have a great day.